My name is Plumas and I am partnering up with Safe Cultural Heritage Group to bring you a course that I will be teaching about one of the most interesting periods of time in history of ancient Iran, the Achaemenids. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Laura Castorroyo. I have a PhD on mythology and literature in medieval Iran from roughly the 11th century to the 17th, which I obtained at the University of St Andrews in Scotland. And I am in charge of the online project Las Plumas de Simur. And this is a Twitch project in which I share with the public knowledge about the Persianate, ancient Iran, and Mesopotamia. In this course, Introduction to the Achaemenids, I'm inviting everyone who wishes to learn a little bit, you don't need to be an expert whatsoever, about these important dynasties and their relevance for the development of history in ancient Iran. Through 6 sessions, we will know a little bit more about not only the people, but the political relevance, the art, and the impact they generated in history, and what came to this day, what is important to learn about the Achaemenids and how they are perceived through modern eyes. I encourage you to enroll. Again, no further knowledge is required and no previous studies are mandatory at all. We will be learning from zero. So join the course. I am waiting for you. I am beyond excited and I will see you there. Khodafez.